English to Pashto sentences. Don't play gooseberry. په کباب کې هډوکې مه جوړېږه. Don't play gooseberry. A thorn ran into my foot. په خپه کې مې غنه لاړه. A thorn ran into my foot. He dances to his wife's tune. هغه د خپلې ښځې اوري. He dances to his wife's tune. You turn out to be a dark horse. ته خو پټه هیره وختې. You turned out to be a dark horse. Being helpless, you had to come. ته مجبوراً راغلی. Being helpless, you had to come. Don't throw false accusations. د دروغو تهمت مه لګوه. Don't throw false accusations. I managed somehow. ما پس طریقه سم کو. I managed somehow. Talk to me courteously. ما سره په ادب خبرې کوه. Talk to me courteously. I am as tall as you. زه ستا موره دنګ یم. I am as tall as you. I have casted the vote. ما ووټ اچولی دی. I don't want to antagonize him. زه د هغه سره دښمني کول نه غواړم. I don't want to antagonize him. Don't even mention his name in front of me. زما مخې ته د هغه نوم هم مه اخله. Don't even mention his name in front of me. The point is that she doesn't understand. خبره دا ده چې هغه پوهیږي نه. The point is that she doesn't understand. How about playing cricket? د کرکټ لوبه کول به څنګه وي؟ How about playing cricket? No sooner had I reached than he came. زه رسیدلی وم چې هغه راغلو. No sooner had I reached than he came. That's where I am going to. زه ځم هم هلته. I didn't mean to say that. زما د ویلو دغه مطلب نه و. I didn't mean to say that. He is dying to buy a new bike. هغه د نوي موټر سایکل اغستو د پاره مري. He is dying to buy a new bike. Sitting on the bike, he was taking selfie. په موټر سایکل ناست هغه ځان لا سیلفي اغستا. With what face I will go to her. زه به هغې سره په کم شکل مخامخ کیږم. With what face I will go to her. You will have to apologize her. تا لره د هغې نه بخښنه غوښتل دي. You will have to apologize her. He is a vegetable seller. هغه سبزی خرڅولو والا دی. He is a vegetable seller. Match is about to start. Match شروع کېدو والا دی. Match is about to start. The page of this copy is torn. د دې کاپۍ پاڼې سیرې شوي دي. The page of this copy is torn. You can't please everyone. ته هر څوک نشي خوشحالولی. You can't please everyone. What were we talking about? د څه په باره کې مونږ خبرې کولې. What were we talking about? You did not find anyone else. تا ته زه میلاو شوی وم. You did not find anyone else. The chapati is overcooked. روټۍ سوي ده. The chapati is overcooked. No one can replace you. ستا ځای هیڅوک نشي اغستی. No one can replace you. Time is the best healer. وخت تر ټولو ښه روغونکی دارو دی. Time is the best healer. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.